Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to another TradingView update. Prices are starting to move a little bit further south, although that said, the volumes or the trading volumes that we're looking out for haven't quite been there. Volumes have been declining, which tends to suggest that people are sitting on the sidelines and waiting to see what happens. On the Bitcoin chart itself directly, when I started looking at it this morning, we were at 47, we're already down at 46.5K. What's changed? So the minor support line that we had in place has been broken to the downside. Initially, we tested support. We tested support at 48, which failed, then tested it at 47 again, which failed. So let's zoom in a little bit so we can actually have a look at this. So we're making lower highs. So we had the highest high here, got a lower high, a lower high, and now we're coming through again. Now, there's two scenarios I see playing out. The first one would be a potential retest of the 48K area, somewhere around here. Before we move lower and test 44, or we simply go down to 44 straight away. There is one area of support in the middle of this that is also helping us out, and that's the 200-day moving average. This is coming through here quite nicely. I reckon prices probably spend a little bit of time trading in and around this area before we do continue to move lower. The first big kind of intraday or multi-day view that we have is an area of support at the 44K mark. This is just because we've been trading in this level once, twice, 3 times. So there's always been an area of good price consolidation. Now, on Ethereum, on Ethereum, similar sort of story. We're making lower highs, lower lows, prices moving downwards. The initial support or the initial resistance above I see at 3125, which is an area that's been, or 3130, sorry, which has been an area which has been tested multiple times. To the downside, we're then looking at the 3000 mark, psychologically important. That's where prices have traded around in the past. Again, once, twice, 3, 4 times already. If we move down here, I expect to see some initial support, and then it'll ultimately come down to where Bitcoin moves for Ethereum to make its decision as to which direction it will go. Just a quick note, the corrections that we do see in the Bitcoin markets, they can be anything up to 40, 50%. So just bear that in mind, especially if the price starts moving down more aggressively. That's always something that could happen, although the previous times it's been leverage, it's been forced liquidations that have forced prices lower. This time around, I don't think it will be that aggressive. But that said, a move down to like 2,400-ish around here, which would be in line with this local top. From the top here down to 2,400, that's only about 29%. So whilst it looks like a big move, in crypto times, it's not actually that much. So just bear that in mind. Don't put all your money into a new long straight away. Hold some cash on the side and top up regularly as the price goes down. That's it. Have a good weekend.